Welcome back, everybody. The summer is almost here, and I think it's time that we get the van ready for the upcoming adventures. I have a couple of pretty cool, pun intended, upgrades that I want to make. But first, I need to make a small adjustment to my bed. When I built this bed, I was looking at what everyone else was doing. And everybody built their beds so that they sleep across their vans, like this. And I don't know what it is with boogie van people, if they are extremely short or if they are always piss drunk every time they go to sleep. But sleeping like this is pretty uncomfortable if you are longer than 160 centimeters long. And I am 180 centimeters long, so I can't really stretch my legs. And I've been thinking about this the whole winter, and I have come to the conclusion that sleeping is by far the thing I spend the most time doing in this van. So I want it to be really nice. So I have decided that I will flip the mattress 90 degrees and sleep along the van instead. And the mattress is already 160 centimeters wide, so it fits perfectly. I just need to make an extension for my feet. So that's the first upgrade. The bed extension is finished, and it's time for our first cool upgrade. And it's this car refrigerator from Vivor. I told Vivor that I needed a way to keep my beers cold, so they sent over this. This is 55 liters. It can house 60 33 centiliter beers. I think that should be plenty. Let me turn it on for you. It actually runs on both 12 volts and mains, so you can have it around your house as well. That can actually be pretty useful. And it actually has a compressor, just like the fridge in your house does. So it's super efficient, and it's nothing like those cheap freezer boxes that you can buy at the gas station. The compressor does make a bit of noise, but the nice thing is that as soon as it's down to temperature, it will shut off. It will be completely silent, and it won't start until it needs to. And you can set the temperature from plus 20 degrees Celsius all the way to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Yes, it's actually a freezer as well, and it has two compartments. So if you put the main compartment to freezing, the small compartment will be just a fridge. That's pretty nice. And it has built-in battery protection. So if the voltage in your battery gets too low, it will shut off to make sure that you don't damage your battery. I will actually put my fridge in a cabinet, and that means that I won't be able to see the display, but that is not a problem because it actually has a Bluetooth connection and a companion app. And from that app you can see the temperature, change the temperature, turn it on and off, and all the things you can do from the display. I think this will be a great addition to my van, and honestly to my garage as well. I better start building that cabinet. And if you want to get one of these for yourself, there's an affiliate link and a discount code down in the description. that didn't really go exactly as I planned. I made this little indentation in order to fit this top that I made off camera, and it fits nicely, but when I put it on, I saw that everything was kind of wonky and, you know, it didn't stay still. So I decided to push down on this side, and I actually ended up breaking one of the boards that I screwed to the bed. So my new plan is to make this whole piece freestanding and not actually connected to the bed. Instead, I think I will have to connect it to this, but it should be fine. I'm not sure if I told you or not, or if you caught it while I made this bed extension, but it is actually removable. I need to be able to remove it in order to get my 3 extra seats in if I ever want to have passengers. And this piece will also be removable in order to fit the seats. All right, let's make this new side. I guess I will have to glue up some more boards. I think I'm going to end this video right here. Of course, the cabinet is only half finished, but the thing that's going to go here, well, it needs a separate video. So far, I think it's looking really promising. And the fact that I will be able to have refrigerated food with me on the rig, well, that's a game changer. I actually did one more cool upgrade on the van. Some of you might remember that last year smoke started to come out of my front vents, and it really smelled like something was burning in there. So I pulled out the fan motor, and you won't believe the amount of leaves and debris and stuff I found in there. So I pulled all of that out and put the motor back in, but it was still making a strange noise. So I replaced the motor, and now it's blowing ice cold air. It's so nice. You know, us Swedes, we need to be freezing cold even in the summer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!